Are you a compassionate individual with a heart for caring? Do you dream of a brighter future in a welcoming and diverse country? Canada needs you. Canada's aging population has created a growing demand for skilled and compassionate caregivers. The Canadian government recognizes this need and offers a unique opportunity for individuals like you to build a rewarding life in Canada through the Caregiver Visa program. This program isn't just a visa, it's a pathway to a brighter future. It's a chance to gain valuable work experience, improve your language skills, and most importantly, create a new home for yourself and your family in Canada. The Canadian government understands the importance of family reunification. That's why this program allows you to bring your loved ones with you to Canada. Imagine building a new life together in a country known for its peace, prosperity, and breathtaking natural beauty. The journey from caregiver to Canadian citizen is a testament to hard work, dedication, and the welcoming spirit of Canada. Thousands have walked this path before you, their stories echoing hope and inspiration. Meet Sarah, a single mother from the Philippines who came to Canada through the Caregiver program. Working with an elderly couple, she provided compassionate care while building a new life for her and her young daughter. Within 2 years, Sarah received her permanent residency, allowing her to access healthcare, education, and a world of opportunities for her family. Then there's David, who arrived from Jamaica with a dream of becoming a nurse. The program provided him with the opportunity to gain valuable experience in the Canadian healthcare system while supporting his family back home. Today, David is a proud Canadian citizen, living his dream as a registered nurse in a vibrant Toronto hospital. These stories and countless others like them demonstrate that the dream of becoming Canadian is within reach for those who choose the path of caregiving. The 2025 Caregiver Visa program has been designed to make the immigration process smoother and more transparent. This program focuses on your skills and experience as a caregiver, paving a direct path towards permanent residency. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process. First, confirm your eligibility. You'll need to meet specific requirements including education, work experience, and language proficiency. Next, find a qualified employer. Secure a genuine job offer from a Canadian family or institution in need of caregiving services. Then, submit your application. Compile all necessary documents, including your job offer, language test results, and police clearances. Once approved, you'll receive a work permit allowing you to live and work in Canada. Finally, apply for permanent residency. After fulfilling the required work experience, you can apply for permanent residency for you and your family. This streamlined process eliminates unnecessary steps, making your dream of living and working in Canada a reality. We understand that taking language tests like IELTS can be challenging and expensive. To make the process more accessible, the Canadian government now accepts various language tests, including CELPIP and TEF, providing you with more options to demonstrate your English or French proficiency. Remember, you don't need to be a language expert. The required language level is achievable with some dedication and practice. Many free online resources and affordable language courses can help you achieve the necessary scores. Section 5. Beware of scams. Navigating the process safely. Unfortunately, the immigration process can attract fraudulent agents looking to take advantage of hopeful individuals. Be cautious of anyone promising guaranteed visas or asking for exorbitant fees. Remember, you are your best advocate. You can apply for the Caregiver Visa program independently, without the need for expensive agents. The Canadian government provides extensive resources and support on their official website. Furthermore, ensure your CV is ATS compliant. Applicant tracking systems, or ATS, are used by employers to filter applications. An ATS-compliant CV uses specific keywords and formatting to ensure your application is seen by potential employers. Section 6. Your application toolkit. Documents for success. A well-prepared application is key to a smooth immigration process. Here's a comprehensive list of documents you'll need. A valid passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in Canada. Educational credentials include diplomas, certificates, and transcripts, along with their official translations if applicable. Work experience documents. Provide reference letters from previous employers detailing your caregiving experience. Language test results. Submit your official scores from an approved language test. Police certificates. Obtain police certificates from all countries you've resided in for more than 6 months in the past 10 years. And finally, a medical examination. Undergo a medical examination from an authorized panel physician. Gathering these documents early in the process will prevent delays and ensure a smooth application experience. Section 7. A helping hand mentorship for your journey. Navigating the immigration process can seem daunting, but you don't have to do it alone. Numerous mentorship programs designed specifically for aspiring caregivers offer invaluable support and guidance. These programs connect you with experienced mentors who have successfully navigated the Canadian immigration system. They can provide personalized advice, answer your questions, and offer encouragement throughout your journey. Mentorship programs can also connect you with other caregivers, creating a supportive community where you can share experiences and build lasting friendships. Section 8. Ready to begin. Your Canadian adventure awaits. Embarking on a new chapter in a new country is a significant decision, and Canada welcomes you with open arms. The Caregiver Visa program offers a unique opportunity to live, work, and thrive in a country renowned for its inclusivity, beauty, and high quality of life. Take the first step towards your Canadian dream. Visit the official Canadian government website or contact a reputable mentorship program to gather more information and begin your journey towards a brighter future. Canada awaits. Gap 3S, Section 9. Additional insights and tips for the Canada Caregiver Visa 2025. As you prepare to embark on this exciting journey, it's important to be well-informed and prepared. Here are some additional tips to help you succeed. First, make sure to thoroughly research the specific requirements and eligibility criteria for the Caregiver Visa 2025. This includes understanding the necessary qualifications, work experience, and financial requirements. Second, consider enrolling in a preparatory course to enhance your caregiving skills and boost your confidence. Many reputable institutions offer training programs that can significantly improve your chances of success. Third, network with other caregivers and join online forums or social media groups. These communities can provide valuable insights, support, and advice from those who have already navigated the process. Lastly, stay organized and keep track of all your documents, deadlines, and communications with immigration authorities. A well-organized application can make a significant difference in the processing time and outcome. Remember, this journey may have its challenges, but with determination, preparation, and the right support, your dream of living and working in Canada can become a reality. Best of luck on your Canadian adventure.